Hello everybody. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Nest doorbell. This is a new one that just was announced a couple of weeks ago and it's being released in the US in late August, end of August. Okay, still sealed, so bear with me. I'm going to have to cut it open. Okay, let's see what's inside. Alright, right off the bat you have the doorbell itself. Let me see. Yep, so you have the doorbell. And then within the box, get started guide. You get the USB charging cable, doorbell, and a mount. It's a metallic mount. A more substantial mounting piece. And these are mounting screws. So. Okay, I think that's it for this video. Again, this is a Nest doorbell. Alright, thanks for watching.